following up on the 30 kVA, we also have an 80 kVA in the showroom at the moment, which I will walk through. Exactly the same canopy, as you can see. There's no difference in canopy between the 30 up to 100 kVA. They all come with the same canopy, same base frame. As I mentioned before, the generators come with their own identification plate. Exactly the same controller. Same consistency in everything. You will notice everything is very standard. Color-coded wiring, but also labeled. Circuit breaker is there. Then we'll go inside the engine compartment. The doors are fully insulated. Same with the top of the generator, making our gensets extremely silent. Even in the louvers and the dust traps, we've got sound inhalation. This one in particular is an 80 kVA prime, 88 kVA standby. Again, UK engine. The best way to see it is if in the middle of the serial number you see a letter. If it's an R, it's Republic of China, and then if it's a U, it's for United States, not United States, sorry, United Kingdom. Perkins do have a manufacturing facility for larger engines in the States as well, so we do have them also. Fuel tank gauge, so you know when you're running out of diesel. The mountings can't really see because of the darkness here. Let me open the other door and walk around. This is the rear of the canopy. As you can see, you've got side vents as well as vents at the back. Maximize good airflow and good airstream going through the generator interior to keep the alternator and engine cooled at all times. Stanford alternators. We specialize in Perkins Stanford. We do not use any other alternators. We can, if you really want us to, we can use Leroy Summer and we can use McAlty's. But there's not much price difference in them. Quality wise, we prefer to supply Stanford. Every generator, just like I showed on the 30 kVA, comes with a heavy duty battery. Batteries are not connected and they come dry, so when a customer receives the generator, they have to put battery acid in the batteries. This is just a shipping requirement. We cannot ship wet batteries. Oil and first fill, everything is in the, that comes free of charge. Just to go through the canopy and the airflow, obviously it's sucked from behind and from the side, so it makes like a circular wave of air around the generator, sucked through the or pulled through the radiator fan, and then it's pushed upwards from the front through here and then pushed up with the fumes from the exhaust. The exhaust is actually in the bottom, integrated inside the base frame, and it goes down from here into the base frame and then goes from the other side, goes back up and is pushed with the air high up, so you do not get fumes if it's in a tight space. While I'm doing this, I might as well go through the 30 kVA again, so you've got a better idea of what we have. Again, same thing. 30 kVA comes with a plate as well. As I mentioned in the other video, also made in the United Kingdom. All the locks, every component that we use in our generators is either EU or United Kingdom manufactured. Same thing with the control panel, same deep sea 7320. Oh, I've actually closed it. Same wiring. As you can see, the quality and the consistency is exactly the same in all our generators. All our generators, before they leave our factory, are pre-delivery tested, fully load tested, to make sure that there's no problems with it. Again, Stanford alternator. A lot of space for maintenance. And let me walk through to the other side. Exactly the same base frame with forklift, and these holes that you see on the side, these are basically for if you were to lift it with straps, you can use those, and they're in the middle on the side. We do not have hooks on the top because we do not believe that is a good way of transporting or lifting a generator that is that heavy. A lot of companies do that. It's just a preference. We do not like it, so we suggest to use straps, which is much safer. Sound insulation, again, every generator that we supply comes with its own maintenance manual and extra keys and all certifications in there, so you've got everything to hand, and you will find them all in the vents when the generator is delivered. This is the 30 kVA 1103 series engine, UK manufactured Perkins, and this one, as you can see, is naturally aspirated, not turbo, whereas the 80 kVA has a turbo on it. So you can see that difference. There are, like the 45 kVA or 50 kVA, some people call it, it does come with a turbo on there. Again, a lot of space for maintenance and everything. Same exhaust system. Again, in the bottom, and then is pushed out. Radiator filling cap there. Same on the 80 kVA. So yeah, all in all, it's a very robust, solid generator set, solid canopy. The canopies are actually made in the UK, not like other companies that are using either foreign Chinese canopies or Turkish canopies. Not saying that there's something wrong with them, I'm just saying that ours are made in the UK as well. Then we have the base frame. You also have the tank in there, which is a day running tank. The stickers are specially designed just for us, for PPS, and they are also copyrighted, so no other company can use our branding. ATS panels, this in particular is a small one. It's not for the 30, this is actually for a 20 kVA. It's a 45 amp ATS. We only use ABB, which you can see here. ABB circuit breakers in all our ATS panels. We don't use Terasaki, we don't use Lovato. Unless you want us to supply them, we can, but we prefer quality and we offer quality, so we have a preference of certain products that we use. And every generator comes with locks and extra keys, and that is a standard. The wiring runs down through this panel all the way down and comes out through this flap. So that we have also thought of. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.